As we cherish wisdom, harmony, and national pride, let us honor those who protect this sacred peace.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a huge round of applause the talented students of Carmel School for a wonderful presentation. It is a responsibility carried out on the shoulders of countless heroes.
Yes, while we celebrate today in joy and unity, our Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, and the intelligence agencies stand alert, vigilant, and
flame of peace never dims in our nation. Once again, can we have a huge round of applause for the defense system of our country?